Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, is a common chronic skin disorder characterized by a compromised skin barrier that leads to itching and increased growth of bacteria. In 2011, Hyphens, a leading specialty pharmaceutical and consumer healthcare group based in Singapore, developed Ceradan, a moisturizer that provided optimum skin barrier repair by emulating the skin's natural lipid ratio. Fast forward to 2019, it launched Ceradan Advanced, an improved version of the moisturizer that sustainably lowers the skin's pH in eczema-prone skin. It is now prescribed by doctors in hospitals, pharmacies, and clinics. Let's find out how this homegrown pharma company creates its own products. To create effective products, companies need access to a spectrum of multidisciplinary R&D capabilities and resources. Creating novel, differentiated products also requires contextual understanding of various topics, such as ethnic skin differences, climate influences, consumer habits, and preferences.
Through our market insights, we can visualize the opportunities for product innovation. However, we are not an R&D organization with the necessary know-how to translate the market insights into products. With deep scientific competency in various areas, ASTAR is ideally suited as a partner for Hyphens, so we turn to ASTAR for research collaboration. Through ASTAR's operations and technology road mapping program, we sharpened our strategic business plan by establishing R&D initiatives that support our skin health business goals.
Since 2014, Hyphens Pharma has worked with ASTAR's Institute of Chemical and Engineering Sciences and Skin Research Institute of Singapore in areas spanning from ingredient screening, product formulation, and clinical studies to technology transfer and licensing. SRIS is a collaboration between ASTAR, Nanyang Technological University, and the National Healthcare Group. It focuses on skin biology, clinical science, and engineering to address pressing skin concerns in Singapore and beyond. ISUS has dedicated research labs on Jurong Island and lends its knowledge and experience in the chemical sciences.
By tapping on ISUS expertise, we investigated the stability and texture of a cream formulated using our patented technology. SRIS provided us with important insights and understanding into various skin conditions which are critical to developing efficacious products. As a result, we successfully launched our next-generation moisturizer that met with our intent for the pharmaceutical market. We have also worked with ISUS to formulate the new steroid cream for eczema using a novel technology which ISUS developed. This dermatology product is currently undergoing regulatory process before reaching our target markets in the region.
As Singapore's public sector R&D agency, ASTAR is committed to build strong local enterprises by increasing their capacity for R&D and innovation. At ASTAR, we work with them to develop an R&D roadmap which supports their business strategy and provides them with necessary scientific expertise and resources to take their products quickly to the market.
In its collaboration with ISUS, Hyphens Pharma managed to create a stable formula in the development of Ceradan Advanced and went on to scale.
In 2019, we signed a 5-year agreement with ASTAR with a focus on commercializing products to address unmet market needs for skin disorders. We are continuing to work with ASTAR research institutes, SRIS and ISUS to further skin research and formulation development.
There is no doubt that R&D plays an important role in the business's growth journey. As Hyphens seeks to move up the value chain and seize opportunities in the ASEAN market and beyond, ASTAR will continue to be an important innovation partner to identify new technologies that could be translated into value for its products and business.